Just arrived in, direct off the last owner. It's one that we previously sourced and supplied. The lady's just replaced it with a newer version of this. What a gorgeous car this is. Suzuki Jimny SZ4 in a Breeze blue metallic. A lovely bright example. Really is a gorgeous example all round. Very well cherished. 2014 on a 14 plate with great service history. 6 service stamps in the book. Let's take you all around it to show you exactly how nice this car is. It is stunning. 1.3 engine, 85 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive. These Jimnys are getting very rare, especially in this condition at this sort of miles. Massive following for it. Bit of a cult car. Brand new spare wheel, as you can see. Not a bad size boot on for the size of the vehicle. All lovely and clean. Split folding rear seats, full black leather upholstery. All the loading area nice and clean, no major damage to that at all. All the bodywork in great condition, no major dents, scratches or scuffs anywhere or little dings. All the wheels and tyres in great condition. Look at those wheels, undamaged. Plenty of tread on the tyres, mud flaps all the way around. All the bodywork nice and clean down the sides. Chrome roof rails. Again, the near side front wheel, all unmarked. Again, plenty of tread all across the front. The vehicle has been fully wax oiled, undersealed underneath. We did this for last owner just to ensure the longevity of the life of the vehicle. All across the front, lovely and clean. Again, as you can see, the wheel and tyre, great condition. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. And again, the final wheel. Again, plenty of tread on that wheel. All understeel underneath, as I previously mentioned. Beautiful inside, all the door trims in great condition, no damage to those. Electric mirrors, electric windows. All the entry points, no major scuffs. Tailored carpet set. Black leather upholstery, beautifully embossed with Jimny. Rear seats, all in great condition, no damage to those. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. All the headlinings in great condition. It really is a fabulous example. Mileage of just 35,933. That's so it's done 35,933. 6 service stamps in the book. Stereo CD. Air conditioning. Of course, 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel low ratio drive. 5-speed manual gearbox. Again, all the interior trims in great condition. So there we have it, our beautiful Breeze blue Jimny SZ4 with just 35,000 miles. course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments, your low deposits, and apply direct off our website. Very quick and easy. And we do the videos to give you full confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. And many customers make a decision purely by watching the videos. Read about our raving fans reviews, and you'll see why customers come back to us over generations, time and time again. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 with our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described when you arrive, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. The phone number again for any further information or to reserve this car is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.